Today, I'm going to show you how to enable uppercase spell check in Microsoft Word, so Word can stop ignoring words that are written in all caps. This is a really useful setting if you work with acronyms, headings, legal text, branded terms, or any document where uppercase words actually matter. By default, Microsoft Word often skips over all caps words, which means spelling mistakes in uppercase text can go unnoticed. So in this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly where to find the setting and how to turn it off, so Word checks uppercase words properly. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Microsoft Word tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer and open any document or start a new blank document. Once Word is open, look to the top left corner and click on File. This is where Word keeps most of the main program settings, including spell check and proofing options. After clicking File, scroll down and select Options. This will open the Word Options window, where you can customize how Word behaves. Inside the Word Options window, look at the menu on the left side and click Proofing. This section controls spelling, grammar, and other language-related settings. Now, in the Proofing section, look for the spelling options. You'll see a checkbox that says Ignore words in uppercase. By default, this setting is usually turned on, which means Word will skip spelling checks for words typed in all capital letters. To enable uppercase spell check, all you need to do is uncheck that box. Once you remove the checkmark, Word will start including uppercase words in its spelling review. That means if you accidentally misspell a word in all caps, Word can flag it just like any other spelling error. This is especially helpful if you frequently use headings, titles, abbreviations, or text that has been typed in uppercase for emphasis. After unchecking the box, click OK at the bottom of the window to save your changes. That's the important step that applies the setting inside Microsoft Word. Once you close the settings window, Word will immediately use the new proofing behavior. You do not need to restart the app in most cases, but if the change does not seem to take effect right away, simply close and reopen Word and test it again. To make sure it worked, go back to your document and type a word in uppercase that is intentionally misspelled. For example, type something like hello or worded. If the setting is active, Word should underline the mistake and treat it as a spelling error. That confirms that uppercase spell check is now enabled. If you want to go a step further, this is also a good time to review the rest of your proofing settings. Microsoft Word has a few useful options in the same area, like checking grammar as you type, ignoring repeated words, and handling other language preferences. But for this video, the key setting is simply turning off Ignore words in uppercase so Word can properly check your uppercase text. And that's it. You've now enabled uppercase spell check in Microsoft Word. It only takes a few clicks, but it can save you from missing mistakes in important documents. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Microsoft Word tips, office productivity tricks, and simple how-to guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.